All right, this is pretty much what you get. You get the manual, the power cord, the actual vacuum itself, and it has a weight. It's about a pound or less than a pound. You get two different types of, you got the brush, and then you got the rolling one, which is the suction wet brushes on the top. They give you 3 poles for the extensions of it. If you don't need to set up all 3 of them, you could have 2 or 3. It depends on the length of your pool. This one actually retracts itself here to actually clean the filter. Any kind of trash you have in here, it's going to capture it. This is made by stainless steel mesh, if you guys can see that. So you can put it back in there and start the vacuum. So let's go ahead and put this together and start using it. First of all, if you guys can see, there's a little area indentation that you actually have to, it's like a puzzle piece. You have to take this piece. This actually is an adapter for both these units right here. So basically you put it in there and you twist it so it can lock in. If you guys can see, you have to lock that in. In this scenario, we could use the brush, and you could brush the sides of it and suck some of the debris that you have in there. Or if you want to just do the flooring and also little bristles, if you guys can see that. But this will actually do the same job as this one, but this one has the brush head, so you actually scrub the sides and the corners, places that this thing cannot be reached. All right, so right now we're going to use this one just to clean up some of the flooring. All right, for the pole area, if you guys can see, there's a little indentation there. If you guys can see, just put it in, lock it in, and it locks in automatically in here. You could release it by pushing the button in here. And this part's a twisting part on one of the brakes, so let's go ahead and set that up. Like I said, it's an optional, but I think I'm going to remove this one and just keep the 2 poles because it's long enough as it is with just the 2 poles. So it's an option if you want. If you have a longer pool, you can set up all 3 of them. All right, power button is easy. It's a big old power button here you can't miss. You plug it in, you turn it on, and you can hear it. You can hear the suction on it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up because I don't want to run it without any water coming in. I just wanted you guys to hear how loud it is. Charging it is simple. There's another place in the side of it, in the back of it, where it's a rubber cover that you unlock it in here pretty much, and that's where you actually plug it in and charge it up. It's a 2-prong connection, and it should last you for many hours.